we are here tonight with Dustin King, the sales supervisor at Saint-Gobain. Could you show us some of the products you've got here at CCIF Toronto tonight?
Yeah, absolutely. For RECLA, compounds and polishes. So with this new setup, with the G360s, we have a two-step process for most colors using two different pads with one product at two different speeds. Will allow us to give a vehicle that's ready to leave the shop. And then for some of the more difficult colors, we have a third step, which we'll use with an additional pad. With this, we can actually take out scratches of 1500 grit. So with that, we're actually able to save a couple of steps in that cut and polish process, basically resulting in about 30% increase in efficiency with that process.
Wow, awesome, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Could you just tell us a little bit more about these discs here?
Yep, so we just launched a new line of Blaze Cutoff wheels, which is a new ceramic aluminum blend. So much longer longevity than our previous generation. Compared to alumina discs, we're getting about 7 times the durability out of it. And compared to zirconia, we're seeing at least 3 times durability increase. So much faster cutting, very durable cut. So basically what we're looking at when it comes to cutoff wheels is how often are we going back to the tool and changing out that disc. Because normally these aren't close, you have to go back to your toolbox, change it out on the tool, go back to the car. So the longer that we can have these last, the more efficient we're going to be. So those Blaze discs are moving in that direction.
All right.
We also have our partnership with Fuser that's been going on for a couple years now. So Fuser Adhesives have a number of OE approvals on a number of their products. So those are actual materials that go out to the vehicle manufacturers and are tried on vehicles at the plants. So the engineers of the cars are the ones that are actually signing off on those products saying, hey, this is the way to go. So with that, we also have 300 milliliter tubes. So we're typically getting more product per package than what else is in the industry.
Okay.
So very good, basically pricing structure because of that packaging. But again, we have that basically the reputation for those products as well.
Awesome. So Dustin, could you tell me what are some predictions you have for the industry this year? Some trends you think might be hitting the collision repair market?
So for us, I mean, we're going to focus a lot on standard operating procedures, ways that we can basically lean out processes. How can we find ways for people to be more efficient on vehicles and more efficient in their workspace? So if we look at products that can give us, say, faster clamp times, faster full cure times, things like that where we're not changing out on our tools as frequently, or processes where we can eliminate steps that were previously necessary. We think that really influencing that labor cost is going to be a big impact for us.
Awesome. Do you have any thoughts on any disruptions or challenges you think might be hitting the industry this year or continue to hit the industry?
That I couldn't speak to right.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. All right. So thank you so much for speaking with us. Thanks for showing us all your products here, and have a great night.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for talking to us.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.